What's up, everybody? My name is Levi. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about dreams, about your passion, about your goals. Everybody has something they're dreaming for in life. Maybe you're dreaming to have your own business. Maybe you're dreaming to arrive at your dream job, or you're dreaming to reach to a certain level in life in your job. Whatever it is that you are dreaming for and you want to achieve, today I want to talk to you about how you can start. A lot of people have dreams and goals and aspirations, but sometimes they also have something that opposes that vision, that passion. They have something that want to oppose it. Sometimes you have a beautiful dream how to start something or how to become something. Maybe you want to be a photographer, or you want to be a digital person. You want to be into digital marketing, but at the same time, you don't know what to do. You don't know how to go about it. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you want to start an online business, but you don't know how to go about it. Today, I want to tell you that no dream in life ever comes so easy. Nothing in life is easy to start. If you ask people like Apple, Steve Jobs, ask other people that have their businesses, nothing has been easy to start. Everyone at some point or the other struggle to start, because we're human. We kind of like fear what's going to happen. My friends, my family, my colleagues, what are they going to say? Are they going to laugh at me? Or they may laugh at me. What if I flop? What if it doesn't work out? What if things didn't go the way I planned them? All these thoughts will come. But you know what? You need to be courageous and push on. Whatever that you want to do, don't let anything stop you. A lot of people are worried about, English is not my first language. How am I going to sound? My English is bad. People are going to laugh at me. My accent is not good. I don't have any English or American or Canadian or Australian accent. And it goes on and on and on. Hey, listen, nobody cares about that. Well, if some people do, that's their cup of tea. It's okay. But I will tell you that no, that's not what many people look at. People want to see what you've got, what you have in you that can change the world, what you have in you that can affect lives, that can change lives. It's not about your accent. It's not about English. Yes, it's okay to be able to communicate to people, because sometimes you can speak your language, you're only going to reach to a particular demographic. But if you want to reach out to the broader world, people from all over the world, English may be the answer. But whatever language you speak, you can reach out to people. But if you are surrounded within your language, you're only going to reach out to people within that demographic. So what am I saying is, it doesn't matter what accent you have. What matters is that you are communicating. Whichever accent you have, you're communicating real good. People can understand you. If you have something inside, if you have something upstairs, they say, people will benefit from you. That's what matters. Don't let those things, my accent, what people are going to say, what my friends going to say, what my family going to say, don't let it stop you to start that beautiful dream of yours. Don't let anything to stop that beautiful vision of yours. That thing that you want to start, you want to accomplish, that business you want to start, or you want to reach out to people, or you have a message, you want to reach out to people on YouTube, but you're afraid of what people say, or you're afraid of all the things I mentioned. Don't let that be a problem. Don't let that be your obstacle. Don't let that pull you down. Don't let that stop you from fulfilling your dreams. Don't. Today, I want to tell you that you can start. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till the time is right. It may never be right. Don't wait until you are qualified. You may never be qualified. You know what? Even if you think you're not qualified, by the time you start, you will qualify. Because as you practice every day, whatever you're doing, you become good at it. If you keep on speaking every day, you will become more comfortable to speak to people. If you're afraid of camera, what you're gonna look at it on camera, how your English or how you're gonna appear on camera. If that's your problem, don't worry about it. Just start. When you do it sometime, like 5 times, 10 times, consistency, you will find out that you are going to win. Don't let fear to hold you back. Don't let fear of anything, fear of maybe I'm not qualified, maybe I'm not worthy. Who's gonna listen to me? Do I have anything to offer? My accent. Don't let that bother you. All you need to do is do your preparation. Start. Just start. Don't let anything stop you. Just start. If you're waiting for the right time, you will never start. If you're waiting to be qualified, you will never start. If you're waiting to be good, you will never be good until you start. So this is my piece of advice to all you friends out there. Whatever you want to do, whoever you are, wherever you come from, you have something in you. You want to start something. Go ahead and start it. Don't let anything bother you. Don't let anything stop you. This is all I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make sure that I want to see you start that dream. If you have a dream, you have a goal, you have a vision, can you comment at the comment section? Let me know what dream you have, and let me know what's stopping you. This is all I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want to ask you to subscribe. I want to ask you to like and share. Till next time, have a wonderful time and stay cool. Bye-bye.